Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to multiply columns in Excel. So if you also want to multiply columns in Excel, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Microsoft Excel. After that, simply open the document in which you want to carry the multiplication. You can see over here, I've already opened the document. So for example, if you want to multiply column B and column C, it is actually very simple. So first of all, if you want to multiply cell B2 and C2 and basically you want to display in cell D2, for that what you have to do is click on the cell in which you want to display the value of multiplication. Over here, first of all, what you have to do is type in equals to. If you do not type in this symbol, you'll not be able to carry out the multiplication. Now since you want to multiply cell B2 and C2, all you have to do is enter B2 first, or you can also enter C2. Now you can see over here B2 cell has been selected. Now what you have to do is type the symbol of multiplication. For that, simply press Shift and 8 on your keyboard at the same time. Now type in another cell that you want to multiply. In this case it is C2. Now you can see over here C2 has also been selected. Now simply press enter. Now you can see over here the cell B2 and C2 is multiplied and the value is being displayed in D2. So if you want to multiply the whole column, what you have to do is drag this. For that, place your cursor right over here. Now simply drag your mouse to the bottom. Release the mouse in the cell you want to stop multiplying. Now you can see over here the whole column will be multiplied. So that is how you multiply columns in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.